Shadow Ops 5. Let's try it out. See what happens. Okay, we'll have a distraction with the chopper. While we slowly take the base apart. Here they come. Here they come. Let's take out a few of these robots. Gone. Here they come. Okay, we'll end the attack. Once you lose one, it's not worth it. End the attack and keep going. Oh, I never did start my electric. Well, you got to start your electric. It makes you a lot more effective. All right. Let's see what we can get happening here. If they take out your chopper, just stop, start over. Do we get one? We got one. Get them both. There you go. Got them both. Let's come over here and see if we can get one over here. The chopper's getting ready to die, so we might have to reset as quickly as you can. All right, he's down. Okay, the other one will go. Excellent. Excellent. Take it out. Just take a piece at a time. If your choppers die, start over. Let's take out a few of these guys so you can get that before the chopper dies. There you go. That'll help. Oh, he's going to die. All right, we're done. We're done. While we're paused for a second, let's just repair our chopper. 35 seconds. Not bad. Not bad. Let's take out a 5. Just be careful how you do it so that you don't get much damage. All right, that's far enough. Got to watch out your chopper doesn't take off. If your chopper takes off after some of these guys, and you got to watch out because the anti-air will take out your chopper. So you just got to be a little bit careful. Just keep your eye on it. Okay, we can't go after that one because if he's not shooting him, he'll shoot your controllers. So only go after what's engaged with your chopper. All right. All right, he's engaged. Now that he's engaged, we can go after this guy. He won't shoot us. Get over here, stay together. When you start separating, that's when you start dying. Get him to engage with the chopper, then. All right, we're going to stop again. Get full control of the choppers. Let them be the distraction. You got to be careful though, because he'll kill you. So get him to engage with something. There we go. There we go. Bring some controllers in. Right now, we're pretty much done with the base. There's not much can hurt. You got to watch out for the rail. Get rid of those two guys. Okay. I think we can get the rail. Worst that happens is he'll get one shot at us. All right, good. All right, take him out there. Somebody shot us. Again, at this point, most things don't come after you. You got a couple of planes that'll come in and shoot you a little bit, but if you can get them to engage with the chopper, once these guys start wiggling, they've identified them and they'll shoot them. There, good. Now they're both dead. All right, we got to get the other one. Got to get these guys to come down a little bit. So that they're actually a distraction. They've got to engage. Once they engage with the troops, then okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, something is locked into my chopper because it should not normally be engaged. But let's clear them out, find out what. Okay, that's it. And because they're attacking the chopper. Normally we don't get any chopper damage, but we did. Chopper got a little bit too close. Holy mackerel, she did. Usually she comes out with no damage, but when you make a video, things don't always turn out the way you want them to. You got too close, is really what it means. Come on, get going. These controllers are slow as molasses. Just keep your eyes open for anything that will shoot you. Should be fine at this point. Hard stuff's already done. So you can get these two and then kill this and it should be it. So that was it. Just don't get so close with your chopper and you'll be fine. But you know what? It's not the end of the world. I got lots of time to heal. What did we get? Modified barrels. What else do we get? More barrels. All right, that was it.